Just say the word, we can go. Catch a flight to the islands and float. Get a little sunburned, go with the flow. That Bahama breeze through the Keys on that big white boat. I know we just got home, but girl, if you wanna head back down to heaven on earth, just say the word. Oh girl, just say the word. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I want to teach you how to play one of the easiest songs you will ever play on guitar, okay? There are 2 chords in this entire song, okay? Now, it is tuned a half step down, all right? But there's no capo or anything. You can still play it in regular tuning. You'll just have to sing it a little bit higher, okay? Because that's what a half step down makes everything lower, okay? So before we get into it, I show you the 2 chords and the strumming pattern that is the same throughout the whole song. Please hit like and subscribe, because it does mean a lot to me. It gives me the algorithm love from Google, from YouTube, whatever, the same thing. It really does help me out. And also, just the more that we build the community and stuff, I appreciate it. I love your guys' comments and questions and song requests. If you have other songs you want to learn, please let me know in the comment section, all right? So let's get into it. So chord number 1 that you can use for this song is just C major 7. So it's C, but you don't use your pointer finger. Okay, like, so easy. So ring finger goes 3rd fret on the A string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and that's it. Okay, and then the next one you do is you're gonna go up to A minor. All right, so middle finger, all right, 2nd fret on the D string, ring finger 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger is the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, it's actually similar but slower and softer and way more simple than like 7 Summers, okay, by Morgan Wallen. So the way you're gonna start it is you're just gonna do down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the strumming pattern for the song. It's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's just that down, down, up, down, up. Now you're gonna switch it though. You're gonna do down, down, up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. C major 7, A minor, C major 7, A minor. Okay, so the way that's the strumming pattern and the chord progression. Now I'm going to show you how to do this, like where you play the chords and stuff, because I'm doing this for like the ultra beginner, but it's so easy. Okay, so you're going to do C major 7, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, then you do that a second time with no lyrics. Okay, so then you do. Okay, so when you start, after you play C major 7, A minor twice, then you're gonna go into the first verse. All right, so you're gonna play the C major 7 before you actually say yeah. So you're gonna do, yeah, we just touched down. Down is A minor, down. That's called running our breath. At the end of breath, you're gonna do C major 7. That old shrimp boat sound. Sound is A minor. Sound still ringing in our head. So the end of head, you're gonna do C major 7. We could fly back. Let's see. We could fly back home now. Now is A minor. Now catch another sunset. The set is where you're gonna do C major 7. No shoes, no blues, no regrets. Okay, regrets. Grets is gonna be A minor. Grets. Just say the word. Word is where you do C major 7. Word. We can go. Go is A minor. Go. Catch a flight. Flight is C major 7. Fly to the islands and float. Float is A minor. Float. Get a little sunburned. Okay, sunburnt is C major 7. Burned. Go with the flow. Flow is A minor. Flow. That Bahama breeze through the Keys. Keys is C major 7. Keys on that big white boat. Boat is A minor. Boat. I know we just. So just is C major 7. Just got home, but girl is A minor. Girl, if you wanna head back down. Back is C major 7. Back down to heaven on earth. Earth is A minor. Earth. Just say the word. Word is C major 7. Word. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Girl is A minor. Girl, why don't you just say the word? And word is C major 7. And then A minor. Okay, so that's like the whole song. You now know how to play the entire song because you just keep doing the same strumming. The one thing I would say to do is during the verses, I would strum it softer. So I do. See how soft that is? And I'm kind of doing, I'm using this finger, sorry to flip you off, but I'm doing my middle finger. And then I don't use that anymore. See, I do that on the first strum, the down strum. Okay. You can throw in other stuff if you want to, like just the single strums when you do the bridge or the last chorus. But that's how you play the whole song. Now when you play the chorus, typically I would play it louder, just a little bit louder, because you're gonna do just say the word. We can go catch a flight to the islands and float, get a little sunburn, go with the flow. That Bahama breeze through the keys on that big white boat. I know we just got home, but girl, if you wanna head back down, heaven on earth, just say the word. Oh girl, why don't you just say the word? You can just end it on the A minor. Anyway, say by the whole song. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.